Okay, I've decided to fill this hinge. Let's see how it goes. This is what I'm using. Here goes. Oh, come on. Give it a squeeze, please. It needs softening. I'm going to have to put it in some boiling water, aren't I? Yeah. Okay, let's do that, right. Should I wet my finger? Should I? Oops. Right, it's looking a bit better. Just don't want to get it in the screws, because I'll never get that out and then it'll look well scruffy, won't it? Okie doke. Ooh. Get away from the screws. I suppose painting it might have just been the best way forward. Let's give it a try. Ooh. Now then. How's that kind of looking? Not sure about that. A bit more in there. Ah. Any tips, anybody? Any tips? Because this is going to look like a dog's dinner. Oh, damn it. Darn. Right, should I just leave it or what? Keep messing with it, making it worse. Right, let me get some water on my thumb. Whoa. It's kind of magic. Bit of water, saves the day. Dry it off. Hopefully I won't mess it up. Whew. That's looking alright, that actually. Get some gloss, bit of sand. Sanding, should I say. Bit of sanding on that. Let's have a closer look at that. Really? Ah, it's better than it was, I suppose. Who's going to notice? Glossing, sanding, glossing. Pretty neat.